Samsung naman tayo, guys. So this is the price as of July 1 for the A26 5G. Merong 17,990, meron ding 15,990. Depende sa kanyang RAM and internal storage. For the Galaxy A36 5G, 21,990 as of July 1. For the A56 5G, ito naman yung presyo nila ngayon, 25,990. For the Galaxy A06, the budget-friendly phone of Samsung, it's now 5,590. Before, it's 6,290. Sa 64 gigabytes naman na internal storage, it's only 4,790. Dating 6,290. So, malaki yung masisave nyo is about 2,500. Ang laki ng pagbagsak presyo dito sa Rose SMC side, guys, for the Galaxy A06. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng mga budget-friendly phone, try to check this out. For the Galaxy A06 5G, is only 6,990. 4 GB ang RAM nito and 128 GB naman ang internal storage. Eto, guys, para baka na-confuse kayo, this is A06 LTE. Ito naman, A06 5G. For the Galaxy A16, it's only 8,990. Before, it's 9,990. Ang internal storage nito is 128 GB na siya and 400 GB ang RAM niya. This is the Galaxy A16. For the 5G, Galaxy A16 5G, before it's 13,990, ngayon 12,990 na lang siya. Dito sa rules, guys, sa SMC side. Meron na siyang 256 GB na internal storage at 8 GB na RAM. That's it for the Galaxy A16 5G. For the flagship phone of Samsung, the Galaxy S25 Ultra now, dito sa rules as of July 1, it's 93,990. 512 GB na ang RAM niya, ang ROM niyan, and ang kanyang RAM is 12 GB. Depende sa internal storage at RAM. Sa 256 GB naman nila, it's only 84,990. That's it for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. For the Galaxy S25 Plus,